So welcome to 304 45 Paisley Boulevard. This is our kitchen. Pretty modern. You got a dishwasher, stove, big microwave, fridge. And you have an island here. Lots of storage as well. And we have two, coffee, what do you call it? Bar stools. There's lots of storage again. Very modern style. We got a portable AC as well. And this is our living space. This is a big couch. And then we'll go into our bedroom. So this is a 1-bedroom apartment. So this room fit a queen-size bed with a frame. We've dismantled it because we're moving. There's a big window with plenty of sunlight. There's also a wardrobe that we got from IKEA, so both fit. And then there's also an actual cupboard, almirah. Pretty big. On the ground. Then we'll go into the washroom. Washroom is also pretty big. Lots of storage again. We got our Walmart storage containers here. And you have a full-size bathtub with a modern shower. And there's also storage space. Bigger cabinet here, which you can store your winter clothing and other laundry stuff and vacuum and shoes. And then we go outside, the balcony. It's also pretty big. I would say it's 15 feet by around 9 feet. It's 15 feet length. There's a lot of stuff that we're just moving out. A couple of plants. And then again, another view of the inside.